Hello student, today I'll explain practice set 12. In this practice set, we are going to learn about SCF. SCF means highest common factor. It is also called as GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. So let us see how to find SCF in this practice set. Find the HCF. Sum number 1, 25, 40. Here we can do by two methods. Whichever method you find easy, you can solve it. Already in the last exercise we have done prime factorization method. So same way we can do here. 25 will go in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 will not go in any other table other than 5. So 5, here we write 1. 40. As it is an even number, it will go in 2 table. 20, again 2 table, it will go 2 1s are 2, 10. So again 10, it can go in 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 5 will go in 5 table, so 1. Now 25 is 5 into 5. 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we have to find the common number. Here if you see, 5 is only common in 25 and 40. So highest common factor of 25 and 40 is 5. We can solve the same sum by one more method. Okay. Now here 25 and 40, we have to see both the number is divisible by same number. Now one is the even number, other one is the odd number. So we have to find a number which is divisible by same number. So here if you see, the unit place 0 is there, here 5 is there. So it will go in 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Again we have to see this, both the number is going in same number. But 5 will go only in 5 table, 8 can go in 2 table. So we cannot find any common number over here. So we can leave it. Now here the HCF of 25 and 40 is 5 because this is only the common number for 25 and 40. So HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. If you see both the method, we get the same answer. So we can do any method whichever you find easy. Sum number 2, 56, 32. Now if you see, 56 also even number, 32 is also a even number. So we can, both the number is divisible by 2 table. So you write 2, it will become 28, it will become 16. Again both are even number, it is divisible by 2 table, it will become 14, it will become 8. 2 8s are 16. Again if you see both the numbers are even, it will go in 2 table, it will become 2 7s are 14, here 2 4s are 8. Now if you see here 7 is there, here 4 is there. You know 7 is a prime number, it is not divisible by any number, but 4 we can divide by 2 table. So we cannot get any common number here, so we will leave the sum till here. Now HCF of 56 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Sum number 3, 40, 60, 75. Now here if you see, again in the unit place the 0, here 5. So we can divide this number, all the 3 number by the same number 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 12s are 60, 5 1s are 5, 2 remaining, so it will become 15. So we got 8, 12 and 15. Again we have to see, can we find any common number for this 3? So here it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. So we cannot get a common number. So we can leave the sum here till here. Now, so HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5. Sum number 4, 16 and 27. If you see 16 and 27, 16 is a even number, 27 is a prime number. We cannot get any common number for this both the number. We have no common number other than 1. So in such cases, we can write HCF of 16 and 27 is 1 because we don't get any common number for both this number. Sum number 5, 18, 32 and 48. If you see 18 is even number, 32 is even number and 48 is also even number. So we can divide this number by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, here it is 24. Now if you see here, this is even number, this is even number, but this is a odd number. So we cannot divide all the three number by 2. So here we can leave the sum here. So your HCF of 18, 32 and 48 is 2. So you have to just remember that all the three numbers should have one common number. If there is no common number, you no need to solve again. You can stop the sum here. Sum number 6, 105, 154. Now you have to find the common divisor for both the number. Now here this is a odd number, this is a even number. So it will be not divisible by 2 table. So let us try for 3 table. So this is 6, 1 plus 5 is 6. This is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is also not divisible by 3 table. Let us try for 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 3 is remaining, 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14, 1 balance, 7 2s are 14. Again if you see, this is 15, this is 22. We will not get any common divisor for 15 and 22. So HCF of 105 and 154 is 7. Sum number 6, 42, 45, 48. 42 is an even number, 45 is an odd number, 48 is an even number. So it will not be divisible. All these three numbers, 45 cannot be divided by 2. So 2 cannot be a common number. So let us try for 3. Because 4 plus 2 is 6. When you add the digit, 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. So all the three numbers are divisible by 3 table. So we will take 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 balance, 3 4s are 12. Again 3 1s are 3. 1 balance, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 1s are 3. 1 3 6 are 18. Now if you see, 14 and 16 are divisible by 2 table, but 15 is not divisible by 2 table. So HCF of, we cannot get any common divisor for these three numbers. So HCF of 42, 45 and 48 is 3. Sum number 8, 57, 75, 102. 57, 75 and 102. Let us again add the digit. 5 plus 7 is 12, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 plus 0 plus 2. So it is 3. So all the three numbers are divisible by 3 table. So 3 1s are 3, 2, 19. Now 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we get 19, 25 and 34. So if you see, 19 is a prime number. So it will be not divisible by any number. So we will not get any common number for these three number. So HCF of 57, 75 and 102 is 3. Sum number 9, 56 and 57. If you see 56 and 57, there cannot be any common divisor. So HCF of 56 and 57 is 1. Whenever we will have no common divisor, the HCF of that number will be 1. Sum number 10, 777, 315, 588. If you see, this number 588 is divisible by 2 table, but remaining 2 number is not divisible by 2 table. So let us see it is going by which table. 777, 315, 588. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21. We have added the 3 digit, I got 21, so it is divisible by 3 table. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So again 315 is divisible by 3 table. 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. So 588 is also divisible by 3 table. So we will take 3. 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 5s are 15, 2, 3 9s are 27. Here 1, 3 1s are 3, 1 will not go, put 0, 3 5s are 15. Here 3 1s are 3, 2 remaining, 3 9s are 27, 1, 3 6s are 18. Now again we want a number which will divide all these 3 numbers. So let us try for 7. 7 3s are 21, 4 is balanced, so 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7, here 3, 7 5s are 35. So here 3 is balanced, so 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14, 5 is remaining, 7 8s are 56. Now if you see, 37 is a prime number. So prime number is not divisible by any other number. So we cannot get any common number here. So HCF of 777, 315 and 588 is 21. Find the HCF by the division method and the reduce to the simplest form. First sum, 275 upon 525. Here you see which is the smaller number that you take as a divisor, and the bigger number you take as dividend. Now 275 ones are 275, 275 twos are 550. But here it is 525. So we will take only 1. So 275 ones are 275. 5 minus 5 0, 4, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 7 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we got remainder 250. Now this remainder will become a divisor, and this 275 divisor will become now dividend. Now again 250 ones are 250. When you subtract, you get the remainder is 25. Now this remainder will become a divisor, and this divisor will become a dividend. Now 225 ones are 25. Subtracted, you will get 0 0. Bring this 0 down. Here also 1 0. So 25 tens are 250. So HCF of this fraction is 25. Now we have to also do the reduce this fraction into the simplest form. Now if you see 275 and 525, we divide both the number by 25. You can divide in your rough work, and if you see, you will get answer 11 upon 21. Therefore, we can write HCF of this fraction is 25, and simplest form of this fraction is 11 upon 21. Second sum, 76 upon 133. So again we will take the smaller number as a divisor, the bigger number as a dividend. Now if you see, 76 ones are 76, 76 twos are 152. So this is 133, so we will take ones are 76 ones are 76. If you subtract this, we will get the answer 57. So again this 57 will become the remainder will become the divisor. Here the divisor will become the dividend. Now 57 ones are 57. You subtract it, you will get the answer 19. So this 19 will become now as a divisor, and this divisor will become as a dividend. Now 19 table, 19 threes are 57. So when you subtract it, you get the answer 0. So HCF is of this fraction is what? 19. Now we have to reduce this into the simplest form. So you take 76 upon 133. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 19. When you divide this 76 and 133 by 19, we will get 4 upon 7. So HCF of this fraction is 19 and simplest form of this fraction is 4 upon 7. Sum number 3. 161 upon 69. Again same way, we have to take the small number as a divisor, the bigger number as a dividend. Now 69 ones are 69, 69 twos are 138, 69 threes are 207. So we will take 69 twos are 138. So when you subtract this, we will get the answer 23. So again we will take this remainder as a divisor, this divisor as a dividend. So now when you take 23 threes are, we will get 69. So the remainder is 0. So HCF is what? 23. We have to reduce this number into the simplest form. So 161 upon 69. You divide the numerator by 23. Divide the numerator by denominator also by 23. So you will get the answer 7 upon 3. So HCF of this fraction is 23 and simplest form of this fraction is 7 upon 3.